Hello, buddy. Good morning. It's warmer this morning, but there's a breeze. We never got any of that rain here last night. It sort of seemed to all fizzle, and we just didn't get it. Hi. Morris. Sorry, I didn't mean to startle you. You can come back. Poor Don. He accidentally grabbed my camera lenses instead of my purse. You got the right one now? That one will get you into Ruby better.
Yeah, it's not so heavy.
Yeah, Don was trying to get Cat Hotel on for me. We'll sort it later. I've already had to toss a scarecrow this morning. Hi, buddy. Stripe went somewhere. He's out of your way. Are you making Ruby look all pretty even though you're tired?
Yeah, I'm trying.
She didn't get dirty yesterday. Not really dirty. Not caught in the rainstorm dirty.
She's still looking really good. I was just, you know, doing a little here and a little there.
Thank you. Seems like we're cloudy this morning. I have no idea if today will really be cooler, since the front didn't really seem to come through, but it kind of came through. Some people got a little rain, so hopefully the weather will be more pleasant today. Here's my Ruby girl. So I'm meeting Michelle for shopping today. She couldn't make it tomorrow. And we won't have quite as long as normal, but it's way better than not meeting at all this week. Good morning, Ruby. Well, it's 71 and kind of cloudy out there this morning. We're running a little late today. We left the house late somehow, later than we realized. We really needed to be about 5 minutes earlier. I guess it's just that time of the school year. Everybody's just wore out. Johnny said they've moved them downstairs from upstairs. The air conditioning in Boyer's not so great. I'm sure first floor will be better than third floor, but it's cool. I think it's supposed to have cooled off a bit today. Hopefully. Well, I got him dropped off at 7:34, just in the nick of time. So I've got to scoot home pretty quick this morning so I can meet Michelle on time for the opening at the big store today, Guardian Angel. And I got to be back in Ruby at 12. So we got to get to check out at like 11:45. That's going to cut our time short, but it is what it is. It's because of picking up Johnny early, but also earlier in the week I rescheduled Stripe's vet appointment, which, as it turns out, was fine when it was scheduled for, but I didn't know that. The fountain's blue. I thought you'd like to see the blue fountain this morning. It's been blue a few days. Stripe's appointment's at 2, so if I leave at 12 from Apex, pick up Johnny, I should have just enough time to get home, load up Stripe, and get him to his appointment on time. And we got another appointment this afternoon, and then Taekwondo tonight too, so it's just a hectic day. So we don't quite know what's going on, but the Citrix bicycles have been renamed to some other. You probably can't quite see the truck, but the Fuquay road cleaner is up there at the entrance to South Park. You can always hear the distinctive sound of that vehicle. It's really nice out here. The breeze, low 70s, cloud cover. There is someone over here raking the track, getting ready for ball games. We probably got ball games tonight. And we asked A, and we're not supposed to have rain today, so he's not wasting his time getting the field ready. I do think they'll play today. What were you going to say?
I don't know, is it 2 or 3 laps?
It's 3. We're exiting. Yeah, there's just a few Fuquay guys up here, and a couple people on the track, but it's far from busy up here today. So we did see that the splash pad is going to open Memorial Day weekend. I know a lot of kids and parents are ready for that to happen. Even if it were open today, they wouldn't be in it. Not with that wind at 70 degrees. That makes being wet pretty uncomfortable. All right, have a good run.
Yep.
Bye. All right, I'm on my way to see Michelle. Guardian angel, girl time, shop time.
Hello.
Hello, you ready for some shopping?
Yes.
I am. That is a serious dollhouse. Huh, wow. Oh, it folds too.
Oh, good thing.
Or it's 3 sections. That's way cool. They just put this painting out. It's very pretty.
What'd you find me?
He's pretty cool.
I don't have any money to put in it, but it's a nice
Oh,
decor.
he's cute. I thought about it.
It's one of those naked cats.
Chia pet. I found the sands of time.
And so are the days of our lives.
I know, that's exactly what I was thinking. We're so old. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. Hold it up.
A backpack.
You do? Really? The exact... Really?
Well, it has skulls and a lot of sunflowers.
Way cool. I like it, but it's too big.
Shrink it, Marianne. You can do it. Or I can do it. I shrink all my clothes.
It's already been washed, so I think it'll shrink. I like coffee and maybe like 3 people. Actually, I like almost all people, but it's kind of cute. All the kitty shirts today are too small. Are you kidding? I'm thinking Donnie would like it if I got this one. It's not the journey, but who you travel with. That's for sure. I'm more confused than a chameleon and a bag of Skittles. Some days. Did you just tell me my birthday's on Friday the 13th this year?
Again, once again.
Wow. Somehow that hadn't, I hadn't realized that yet. Oh. I don't mind it. I've always thought it was good luck and not bad luck, but still. I got a shirt with a butterfly on it. 4 placemats, kind of blue with yellow flowers. I think I have the matching napkins at home. That one coffee mug says you gotta be kidding me. And seems like there was one other thing. Anyway, not a lot. I'm carrying it in one hand. I don't have a buggy. I parted with Michelle a little earlier than the normal because I gotta get downtown to get Johnny so I can get back home to get to the vet appointment at 2. It's all about being, you know, not being late for the vet appointment. I did not like having to cut our time short, but much better, like I said, than not having time. I'm on Hilltop Needmore, and this is where the new community center is going in. Lots of begonias on campus. They're just redoing that pansy bed, but several of the others have already been done. A nice mix and sort of put in stripes. So red leafed, white, clear, light green leaf. I've got Johnny now, and looks like we'll be home at around 1:20. So that's gonna work out time-wise for the vet, no problem. Yeah, there you can see the begonias they've put in here out at the street. Hi, buddy. You ready to go get your vet appointment taken care of for the year? Don helped me load him up. Usually he gets the crate and holds it. I took Stripe in the house so he couldn't run off. It was all good. All done, all good. He was not a happy camper, but he did not fight us. He just would have liked to have gotten away. So we were able to complete the exam. That's an important thing. He really wants out of that crate, so let me get him home. Hey Marty, you gonna help him to not be so afraid? There you go, Stripe. Come on out, buddy. It's just Marty there. Marty says it's okay. Good boy. You're back home. All that hair all over his back is all over my Star Wars shirt today, too. Just don't go right up to Tux and we'll all be good. Hey, buddy. Good boy. That's a good sign. He didn't bolt too fast. Hello there. He goes, Mom, hi. You keep on picking me up. That's because I'm trying to keep you and everybody happy. I am going to plant some flowers. Morris has just shown up, and Stripe, I've petted on him. He didn't run for the hill, so that was good. They thought poor Stripe was the bad boy Morris who had really give him a hard time, and I'm like, no, it's a different cat. Hi, Morris. Hello. 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 Good kitties. Good kitty. Good kitty. Yes, jealous boy. Hi, Mark. Alright. I've been out here about 90 minutes and I have a little bit more planning to do, but I'm getting really close. I put the coleus in there and here. And one begonia and a little creeping Jenny just take off in this pot, the smaller pot here. And God, it seems like I did a whole bunch more than that. This guy had rooted over here, and I want to try to train it toward the big tree. But I'm going to move this to a different spot now, and it's wisteria, but cultivated, not the kind you would see native, and it's doing well. And then I guess, oh, I planted the petunias over here on the septic tank lid, the purple and the red. And then this pod over here on top of the compost bin that I gotta get Dawn to lift back where I want it. I'm still having quite a good bit of shoulder pain today. But just sitting in the house sitting doesn't make it feel better. I'd rather stay busy. Those are headed up to the mailbox, but not today. So I had a couple viewers over the last few days leave me a comment saying to take a second look at the additional bottom bar customization function that I had missed what it was trying to tell me. And it says, the second sentence here, long press any app icon to enter edit mode, then drag the desired control to the bottom bar. So, I don't know if that's, I don't think that's here, or maybe it is. Okay, so I did long press it, and then these other 4, front defrost, rear defrost, left seat, right seat heater, popped up, those additional 4 things that had been added. So, and then you can just drag it down to the bottom if that's really what you wanted. And I guess you can exit to get rid of it too. So, Ruby did get the function, but I didn't understand because I had just, I guess I just didn't understand. I tried the long press, like if I brought up the controls, I had tried it here to drag it, and that didn't work. And then I've gone to the 3 buttons, and this menu had come up, and let me turn that back off so you can hear me. You know, and I didn't see the new one, so I guess I could also long press it there to get the rest of the list. And I'm just trying to understand why did we have to make it so complicated? I guess down here to remove ones back out, they needed that X to come up so that you could like really get into edit mode. But as far as adding the 4 ones and having to do something special to get them to pop, I don't know, that just obviously was not intuitive to me. But thank you for leaving me a comment to take another look. I've got it now. I appreciate it. I try to demo these things well. And I obviously missed that one. So now you know. And now I know, which is probably how the guys at Now You Know came up with that slogan, because it fits so many things associated with Tesla. Anyway, I dropped Johnny off at Taekwondo. I'm gonna look at the pretty flowers at Home Depot. I won't get into too much trouble, I promise. Now that's some serious petunias. Well, everything is gorgeous and in good shape and expensive. Like serious amounts of sticker shock. I really like the mix in those hanging baskets, but I don't like it $25 worth. That's more than what Nelsa was charging for the hanging baskets at the garden hut. Wow. All right, that's what I came home with. A wave runner petunia, a piece of coleus, some New Guinea impatiens, and whatever this is called. That was super pretty. All right, Johnny will be done in just a minute. It's class changeover time.